Hello guys, so today I want to show you how to play Monopoly Go on your computer. Now it's a very easy process. So for that, what you will be needing is a emulator, and the emulator that we are going to use is BlueStack. So just simply search for BlueStacks, then open the first link. Now don't click on this download over here, see all version over here. Now scroll down the 64-bit Hyper-V. Just simply click on download for this. If you have Windows 11 and if you have Windows 10, choose the Windows 10 one over here. Now just simply click on download. Now download the program and install it. So the installation part will take a bit time. So just simply complete the installation process and then let's begin. So after the installation is complete, you will find something like this, or if you don't have the icon on your desktop, it will look something like, you can also search it over here, as you can see it over here. Now after it is downloaded, click on this option, which is System Apps, then click on Play Store. Now in here, just simply search for the game, choose the game, click on install. Now wait for the installation to complete. So after the installation is complete, you will find a desktop icon right over here. You can also click on play over here as well. So click on play. Now give it a few seconds and your game will begin, as you can see right over here. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like, subscribe to our channel, and take care.